It's Kevin here at EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Today, we're answering two practical questions growers always ask. When should I cover tomatoes with shade cloth? And how high should the net be? Now, let's break it down by system. 1. Open field system. Shade cloth is mainly about reducing radiation load and preventing heat spikes, especially during heat waves. 2. High tunnel system. Your biggest risk is heat trapping. Shade helps, but only if you keep airflow moving. 3. Greenhouse system. You're managing a full climate box. Shade cloth is a control tool that must match ventilation, irrigation, and crop stage. Here's the truth. In a high tunnel, shade cloth won't save you if ventilation is poor. In peak summer, tunnels can go above 125 degrees Fahrenheit if air exchange is restricted. So your first requirement is a tunnel that can breathe. Side roll-up plus open ends. Practical rule. If your tunnel can't vent aggressively, adding shade can sometimes make humidity problems worse. If your tunnel vents well, shade becomes a powerful way to reduce canopy stress without cooking flowers. Don't rush shade on day one. A solid practice is to wait until transplant shock is over and the plant has stabilized. Then consider shading as fruit set begins, especially when forecast highs approach stress thresholds. How high to install? For open field frames, keep shade cloth at least 1.5 meters above the canopy. Why? Height creates an air buffer, so heat doesn't build right on top of the leaves and flowers. When to remove? When temperatures drop and stay consistently below heat stress thresholds, you can pull shade back to recover light for late season production. And that's today's topic. Match shade cloth to your production system. Install it at the right time, at the right height, and let ventilation do its job. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.